Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to discuss about the hatch command. In the previous lecture we had discussed about the line command. So we know how we can draw this stepped footing by using the line command. Now let's see how we can hatch this object. So in this command line, this is the command which we use for hatch. It shows that for what this command can be used to fill an enclosed area or selected object with a hatch pattern or fill. Let's see how we can use this command. You can use this command directly by clicking on this, or else even you can type here in the command line as H, so that this window will appear. Here you have two options, one is hatch and another one is gradient. Under hatch you have many options: type, pattern, color and swatch. So type you can select according to your convenience. So if you select this one, so type you can select as per your convenience. Predefined means predefined options will be there, and if you select custom you have to do the customization. Let's select predefined option, and then pattern. Many patterns are available, just you have to click this box to know more detail about the pattern. So here you will be having many patterns like ANSI, ISO, other predefined and custom options. If you go to this ISO, you will be having some pattern, and if you go to this other predefined, you will be having many options. Now I'm going to select this one, AR concrete. So this option I'm going to select, give OK. So the selected pattern is appeared here, and then scale. Scale I will tell you how we can do it. And then very important thing is boundaries. You have to select the boundaries. First you have to click on this, and then see I'm going to apply on this area PCs. So after selecting this pick point, you have to just click over here and then click enter, and after that again you have to give OK, so that the hatch pattern will appear here. Now I'll show you the scale option. Just if you wanted to edit this pattern, double click on this and then go to this scale option over here. Here if you enter the scale as 10, see it is coming very big. You can see the difference. If you enter the scale as 5, it is little small, and if you enter the scale as 1, it is okay. So in this way scale you can change. And next let's fill over here hatch. See already we have selected the pattern, so that is there, no need to select again. Now you have to select the pick point and then select over here, give enter and then OK. See the full area has been covered. Now if you don't want to hatch on this column, you have to add one line over here. You can delete this, and now you have set a different boundaries. So this is different object and this overall area is different object. So now select only this area, enter, OK. So in this way you can add. Now let me show you how we can add other pattern to this area. See, just I'm going to select the pattern. Here you can give solid, give OK, add pick point. Here you can click and then enter and then OK. See, in this way you can change the pattern as well. Now I'm just changing the color. Go to this by layer, select color. I'm just selecting this gray color. See, now it is changed. The color has been changed. In this way you can hatch the object. Only thing you have to make sure that the boundaries are correct, so that the hatch will appear properly. Now let's erase this and then give again hatch command. Now let's look into this gradient option. So here also we have some different gradients of color. We can change here. So in this pattern, whichever you want you can select, and just I'm clicking this and then add point, just add this one, enter, give OK, so that it will appear over here. In this way you can do the hatching of any object, and according to your convenient you can select the pattern, color and all. So friends, that's all about this lecture. Let's meet in the next lecture.